Life Hackers, I'm Carrie Bentley, and today I'm sharing 23 tiny habits that will improve your life effortlessly. The term tiny habits was made popular by BJ Fogg in his book by the same name, and his hypothesis is that habits can't be broken, just changed or replaced. Also, he emphasizes that in order to create a proper habit, you need to specify the anchor, the trigger of the habit, which is an existing action that you already do semi-automatically. And of course, in order to actually make it a habit successfully, you need to start very small. Tiny, in fact. For example, work out every day should have a trigger attached to it, and it also needs to be made much, much smaller. Like, after I shower, I will put on my workout clothes. Now, as a productivity coach, I know that pre-planning your week every Friday is the ultimate habit. And that's why in our Life Hack Tribe membership, we pre-plan using our Winning the Week method live every Friday. It takes just 30 minutes, and it's the single best way to set yourself up to hit your goals the following week. If you want to get our pre-planning formula, you can sign up for our free masterclass or join Life Hack Tribe at lifehackmethod.com/tribe. Let's get into 23 tiny habits that you can start right away that don't take up much energy at all. Number 1, after I open my task list, I will focus on executing one task at a time. Single tasking improves productivity and reduces stress. Number 2, after I eat breakfast, I will engage in 1 hour of deep work where I focus on my most important task. Number 3, after I start talking to someone, I will practice active listening rather than simply waiting for my turn to speak. Number 4, after I turn off the shower, I will spend 30 seconds stretching. Number 5, after I finish writing an email, I will give myself a high five. Number 6, after I get into bed, I will read 1 page of a book. Number 7, after I brush my teeth, I will do 2 push-ups. Number 8, after I wash my hands, I will take a moment to practice deep breathing. Number 9, after I sit down at my desk, I will spend 2 minutes replanning my day. Number 10, after I finish a phone call, I will take a moment to jot down any action items. Number 11, after I close my laptop for the day, I will spend 10 minutes on a hobby I enjoy. Number 12, after I check my email, I will close the email tab and focus on my most important task for the next 30 minutes. Number 13, after I finish work, I will take a short walk to clear my mind and transition into my personal time. Number 14, after I sit down for a meeting, I will take a deep breath to center myself and be fully present. Number 15, after I tuck the kids in for bed, I will set out my clothes for the next day so I don't have to decide what to wear in the morning. Number 16, after I open a news app, I will set my watch timer for 5 minutes to reduce the likelihood of doom scrolling and focus on the more positive aspects of life. Number 17, after I get home from work, I will start 1 tech-free hour. Number 18, after I wake up, I will do 10 squats. Number 19, after I walk into the kitchen to make dinner, I will double the recipe and freeze one for later. Number 20, after I finish dinner, I will write 1 thing down that I'm grateful for and place it in my gratitude jar. Number 21, after I take a shower, I will focus on 1 part of my body and appreciate its strength or function, thanking my body for its abilities. Number 22, after I start my workday, I will group similar tasks together and complete them consecutively using the batching technique. Number 23, after I finish planning my week, I will create a meal schedule for the upcoming week to eliminate the need to think about what to cook each day. Maybe some of these really resonate with you and you want to try them out, so experiment with different habits and adjust them according to your preferences and lifestyle. Thanks so much for listening, and I'll see you next time.